Let me show you how I make these yummy old-fashioned coconut cookies. They are soft, chewy, and super easy to make. First, take 2 eggs and crack them into a large mixing bowl. Just make sure not to get any shell pieces in there. Next, add a pinch of salt. Then, measure out half a cup of sugar, which is about 90 grams, and add that to the bowl as well. Whisk everything together until the eggs and sugar look smooth and fully mixed. Next, measure out 1 1/4 cups of shredded coconut, then add 1/3 of a cup of vegetable oil. Then, use a whisk to mix everything together just enough until the texture looks smooth and even. While I'm mixing this, click the like button if you like the recipe, and subscribe to the channel if you want to support my videos. It really helps me keep making and sharing more baking recipes like this. Next, measure out 2/3 of a cup of fine semolina along with 1 teaspoon of baking powder. I like to add the semolina in 2 parts instead of pouring it in all at once, because that makes it easier to mix and helps everything come together more smoothly without clumping. After all the semolina has been mixed in, add the zest from 1 lemon and stir it through. The mixture starts to get quite thick at this point and it becomes harder to stir with a spoon, so I usually switch to using my hand to mix it all the way through and bring the dough together. Now, let the cookie dough rest at room temperature for about 10 minutes so it has time to settle before you shape it. While the dough is resting, prepare a small bowl with powdered sugar and set it aside. Once the dough has rested, take a piece and roll it gently between your hands into a flat, round disc. The shape does not have to be perfect, but try to keep them roughly the same size so they bake evenly. After shaping each piece, roll it in the powdered sugar until it is fully coated on all sides. Place the coconut cookies on a cookie sheet lined with parchment paper. You can place them fairly close together since they do not spread much in the oven. Bake them in a preheated oven at 170 degrees Celsius or about 340 degrees Fahrenheit for 10 to 13 minutes until the tops look set and the bottoms are lightly golden. These coconut cookies are soft in the middle and so chewy when you bite into them. They don't fall apart and they don't get dry. The outside has a bit of a sugar crust, but they don't go crisp. You can taste the coconut right away, and there's a little lemon in the background. The sweetness is just enough. They're the kind of cookies that feel familiar and so comforting. If you like these soft and chewy coconut cookies, check out my grandma's oatmeal coconut cookies too. They're just as chewy, slightly crisp on the edges, and always disappear fast. Check it out now!